Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!